The drone soars into the sky, revealing wondrous worlds to us from an angle we have never seen before. From above, the world unfolds like a living, colorful, infinite work of art. Deep in the heart of the forest, among the tall trees, the sun filters its rays through the green leaves. A river winds like a blue ribbon between the trunks, reflected in the clear water. The animals move silently, almost invisible. Nature at its most magnificent. As we climb higher, the horizon opens wide. The mountain peaks touch the clouds, shrouded in a mysterious mist. Waterfalls tumble from cliff tops, crowning the landscape like ribbons of living water. The wind whistles, giving a feeling of infinite power. Above the shore, the waves crash softly, caressing the white sand. The foam of the waves draws fleeting patterns, and the sea stretches to the edge of the horizon, its hues changing from deep blue to light turquoise. Birds soar overhead, keeping pace with nature. The light changes, the sun dips below the horizon, weaving a sky of fiery colors: orange, pink, purple. Every detail in the landscape is bathed in soft, golden light. This is the moment when nature bids us farewell for the night, embracing us with its quiet beauty. From a bird's-eye view, the world seems whole, alive and breathing. And when we return to the ground, we take with us moments of infinite beauty. Photographic memories from the heart of nature.